Alright, what's up there YouTubers? It's your girl Shay Skylar and I'm back with another YouTube video, a tutorial featuring my natural hair. So I'm going to be flexi rodding my hair today and I'm going to be using the Cantu product. So if you want to see how I get my finished flexi rod look, make sure you stay tuned to this video. Also make sure you thumbs up, you subscribe, and you press the bell to stay updated on new videos that I upload. Alright, love you guys. Alright, what's up there YouTubers? So, first thing first, if you haven't been following me and you're new to my channel, this year will make 5 years of me being natural. So yeah, I'm super excited. March 12th, I believe, is the date for me. So I decided, since the weather is kind of cool here in Miami and it's not steamy and hot, to go ahead and try out some new hairstyles. So today I'm going to be flexi rodding my hair. If you haven't seen my previous video, curl wand, and I was wanding my hair, make sure you look at that video because the results were freaking amazing. So first I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to prep my hair for my flexi rod, and then I'll flexi rod, and I'm going to show you each and every individual one, and then I'll show you guys how it looks when I take it out tomorrow. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my wild growth oil, and I always apply this to my hair before every style, whether it's weave or if I'm using my natural hair. And I'm going to apply it all over my scalp, and then I'm just going to massage it in. I've been using this product for about a month, and I would like to say that I have seen results. I feel like my hair is a little bit thicker. I'm also going to use some of the organics tea tree oil, and I'm just going to massage that throughout my head, all over, in the scalp and on the hair itself. Now, I'm going to be using two products today. It's going to be the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream and also the Cantu Curling and Style Gel. And this is just going to hold my hair and give me some hold and some product so that I'm able to get some definition once I apply the flexi rod. So I'm going to be using a brush, a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and I'm going to be using 3 flexi rods, the purple, the orange, and the gray. The orange are going to go towards the front, the gray in the middle, and the purple in the back. So let's start off. You're going to need a scrunchie to separate your hair into sections. I'm going to be doing not super small sections, but small enough where I can get some definition of the curls in my hair. So I'm just going to part off that section, and I'm going to divide that into 2. I'm going to detangle my hair, especially in the root, because I want to make sure that I obtain the length in order for me to stretch my hair all the way through. I'm going to take both products and I'm going to apply a little bit to the hair, and a little bit of product goes a very long way. And once I add both of those products in, I'm going to detangle my hair again. Make sure that I get the product all the way through. Then I'm going to stretch my hair, which is pulling. I'm going to show you 2 methods of applying the flexi rod. You can start from the root and attach, hold the flexi rod in place, and twist around. Okay? This is actually the easiest to me, because you're able to bend the top and the bottom the way that you want. You can see that I'm doing my hair not super close together, but apart, so that my curls can be a little looser. And the tighter you put your hair together, the tighter your curls will be. So I'm just going to do the same thing to this section. I'm going to detangle, add product, detangle again. Then I'm going to add the flexi rod, and I'm just going to put the flexi rod in the root, wrap around, and then close it at the bottom. Right, as you can see, I've already finished most of my hair. I just have this front portion. Sorry guys, I got really cold in my house. The AC was not blowing how I thought it was going to be on. It was like on turbo speed. But yeah, so I have this front portion left. I'm just going to take my hair, separate it into portions again. I'm going to take my product, I'm going to add it to my hair, and then I'm going to take my comb and detangle. I also have my small tooth comb because this section I have more of a loose curl, so I want to make sure that I detangle all the way from the roots to the bottom. So this is a different way to flexi rod. You're going to start with the bottom and wrap your hair around, and then you're going to wrap up. And this actually gives me a tighter curl in the front, which is what I really want, because I feel like my front part of my hair, it actually, it'll be the first part to lose the curl. So I want to make sure that my curls are as tight as possible in the front. So again, I'm just going to start with the bottom, and then I'm just going to twist. And this is the wrap, the roly-poly, that's what I call that flexi rod wrap. It's the same way. You're just going to take it around, and then you're going to loop it so it's tight at the roots. Now, when I tell you I'm going to sleep uncomfortably, this is going to be an uncomfortable sleep. That's why I rarely do flexi rods, but I really want to see how it looks, especially with my length now. So I'm starting at the bottom. I'm going to close it, and then I'm just going to wrap it around. I'm going to tighten it, and then I'm going to loop it around so I can make sure it's super tight at the roots. Because once I take it out, I want to make sure that my roots aren't like, you know, no curls. It's like straight, and then it goes into a curl. Now I want to make sure my entire hair from the top to the bottom is curled. And this is my last one. I'm just going to take it at the bottom, do the same thing that I did, wrap it around, tighten it, and just wrap all the way around and make sure that it's tight in the root. Now I have my part going to one side, and most of my hair is going to be on my right side, and then the rest on the left, and I'll be back in the morning to show you the results.